How to get high score on Block Blast. So in this tutorial, I'm going to tell you that how you can get high score on Block Blast. So the first way is that plan your moves in advance. Don't rush to clear blocks, take time to analyze the board, look for potential large matches or combos. Sometimes waiting to move a certain piece can create a bigger blast. Try to spot patterns like groups of blocks of the same color close to each other that you can clear all at once. Larger combos and chain reactions often score higher than single clears. So aim to set up moves that will cascade, where clearing one set of blocks leads to other blocks falling into place for additional clears. And the more blocks you clear at once, the higher your score will be. Try to combine smaller groups to make larger ones instead of clearing them right away. Many gems offer power-ups that can help clear large areas or give you special moves. If possible, try to trigger multiple power-ups at once or in a chain to maximize points. Clearing blocks at the bottom can cause new blocks to fall and potentially create unexpected combos or matches above. If you have a limited number of moves, make every move count. Don't waste moves on small groups unless they contribute to a larger goal. Keep track of your moves and prioritize those that give the most points relative to the move cost. Some games have a score multiplier based on combos or consecutive clear. Try to keep these multipliers active by chaining blasts. And some games have, in games where you lose if the boards fill up, try to keep the board as clear as possible, especially near the top. Avoid placing blocks that don't align with your strategy. So these are some ways how you can get high score on Block Blast. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.